Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about accessing superclass variable. The super keyword can be used to access the variables of the superclass, and it also can be used to access the methods of the superclass. To access the variables of the superclass, we have to use super dot the variable name, and this way we can access the superclass variable. Like in example, we have one superclass A and one subclass B, and both of them has one variable with the same name. Now to access the superclass version of the variable, we have to write super dot name, and this will refer to the superclass variable. So in this example program, we have one superclass A which has one member variable called name, and we have one subclass B which inherits the properties of class A, and it also has one member variable called name. So the superclass and subclass has the member variable with the same name. Now just writing the name will refer to the subclass type of the variable. So in this case we can use the super keyword to access the superclass version of the variable. So I'm gonna write super.name, and this way we can access the superclass version of the variable. So now I'm going to save the program, and I'm going to compile and run the program, and you can see the output. We are able to access both the superclass version and subclass version of the variable. So in Java we can use the super keyword to access the superclass version of the variable when both the superclass and subclass has the same name of the variable. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.